Fungus gnats typically come with new bagged potting soil, even if it's from a good brand, even when bought at a nursery or a gardening store. When you research ways of getting rid of fungus gnats, you'll read about reducing waterings to dry out the top layer of soil where the gnats are supposed to breed. I've tried it to the point of some plants wilting, but it didn't help at all. After all, the soil you buy in bags is also dry and you still get the gnats as their eggs survive periods of dry soil. Another method is to water your plants with hydrogen peroxide with water. It's supposed to kill the gnats and eggs. I've tried this over the course of several waterings and even increased the hydrogen peroxide to water ratio, but again, no improvement. So finally, I decided to try these sticky traps. This is how many gnats one trap caught within a few days, and I no longer see them flying freely between pots. A very important note: these traps are meant for indoor use only. They are very sticky, and yellow would attract and kill honeybees, butterflies, and other beneficial insects if used outdoors. And you can't have a garden without insects.